Hi, in this video we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Python. So let's get started. At first open your favorite browser and then go to google.com. Once you are in the google.com, then search by typing Python. Once you type Python, then hit return key or enter key of your keyboard and you will see the python.org that is on the top of the search result. Click on the python.org this result and then you will go to python.org this website. Here on the top side there is a menu and one of the menu item is downloads. Just click on downloads and you will find the downloads page of Python. Here you will see on button which is the latest version of Python download link. We just need to click over there. Just click over there and it will be saved on a particular location. For my case it is saving on the downloads folder, and click the save button and it will start downloading. Once the download is finished, we can access the download location, that means the downloads folder, by clicking from here. I'm going to access the download location and it is opening the download location of Python, which is the exe file, and here we are seeing that is the downloaded version of Python installer. We just need to double click to start the installation. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to minimize all other windows because we don't need those anymore. So one by one I'm minimizing and I'm also closing the other windows which I don't need it anymore. So once I close this thing, then we'll see the installer window is there, and here there are a couple of options. One of the option down is the add python.exe to the path. We must have to select this, otherwise we have to do a lot of things later. If we click the customize Python, then we'll see that all the features are there. Again, I'm going back to the previous screen, and you can also do a shortcut, but I am going to install through the customize installation, and then from here we have a next button to go to the next step. I'm going to click the next button to go to the next step, and I want to install this Python for everybody of this laptop or computer to use. So I'm going to click the first checkbox. Once we selected this Python will be usable by any user. Now we need to click the install button to start the installation. So I'm going to click this install button to start the installation. Once the installation button is clicked, then it will be prompted this type of window. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to devices? We have to click on yes to continue. I'm going to click the yes button to continue the installation, and it will take like few seconds to few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes is fine. Once the installation is completed successfully, then we will find this type of window. Now we can close this window by pressing this close button. So I'm going to close this installation window by pressing the close button. Once the Python installation is completed successfully, we can easily test it whether the installation is successful or not. For this case, we need to go to the command prompt. I'm going to open the command prompt by typing cmd, and from this menu I'm going to select command prompt. Once the command prompt window is open, basically we can type on simple keyword that is called the Python. So I'm going to type Python, and once I type Python, then I can hit the return key or enter key of my keyboard, and here we will see the Python version which we downloaded, that is installed, and this is the latest version of Python. And let's check whether this Python is installed successfully or not by writing on single line of command like print, then inside this parenthesis I'm going to put a quotation mark, single quotation, and I'm going to type FewSteps. And once we type this thing, then we can hit enter key or return key of our keyboard, and it is showing the text which we typed over there. That means the Python is installed successfully and it is executing the Python program nicely. We can also check whether idle is installed properly or not. I'm going to open idle from here by just selecting from the search menu, and then very shortly we'll see idle is opened, and that's it. In this way we can easily install the latest version of Python on our Windows 11 computer. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you face any issue or problem to install Python, please don't forget to put in the comment section.